the province of Negros Oriental in the Negros Island region. The province of Negros Oriental has Dumaguete City as its provincial capital. It is a part of the Visayas Island Group in the Negros Island region or NIR. It is composed of 6 cities, 19 municipalities, 557 barangays, and was founded on January 1, 1890. The area is about 5,420.57 kilometers squared or 2,092.89 square miles. Negros Oriental is bordered clockwise from the east by Tañon Strait, Bohol Sea, Dipolog Strait, Sulu Sea, and Negros Occidental. Here are the different municipalities and cities comprising Negros Oriental in the Negros Island region. The municipality of Amlan, composed of 8 barangays. The municipality of Ayungon, comprising 24 barangays. The municipality of Bacong, composed of 22 barangays. Bais City, a component city composed of 35 barangays. The municipality of Basay, composed of 10 barangays. The component city Bayawan City, composed of 28 barangays. The municipality of Bindoy, composed of 22 barangays. And the component city Canlaon City with 12 barangays. The municipality of Dawin with 23 barangays, the capital city Dumaguete City with 30 barangays, the component city Gihulngan City with 33 barangays, the municipality of Himalalud with 28 barangays, the municipality of La Libertad with 29 barangays, the municipality of Mabinay with 32 barangays, the municipality of Manhuyod with 27 barangays, and the municipality of Pamplona with 16 barangays. We also have the municipality of San Jose with 14 barangays, municipality of Santa Catalina with 22 barangays, municipality of Shaton with 26 barangays, municipality of Sibulan with 15 barangays, the component city Tanhay City with 24 barangays, the municipality of Tayasan with 28 barangays, the municipality of Valencia with 24 barangays, municipality of Valle Hermoso with 15 barangays, and the municipality of Zamboanguita with 10 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the Negros Oriental province in the Negros Island region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.